How to do text to speech on TikTok. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you're going to go on TikTok app on your mobile. As you open TikTok app on your mobile, then you have to go on the plus icon that is located down below in the center corner. Click on that, and then you have to select a video. So I am going to make a video right now so that I can show you how to text to speech. Now over here you have to go on the text option that is located up above and write the text that you want. Let's say I am wanting who. Then I have to click on done option. Now over here I will have the option of tab to try text to speech. Now I have to click on that, and over here there is an option of text to speech. I have to click on text to speech, and it will text to speech my text. This is how I can text to speech. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.